Hello, my name is Xeon Nasif, and in this presentation, I'll explore my research proposal titled The Alteration of Lecture-Based Pedagogy Through Generative AI and the Proposed Ethical Framework for AI Detection Tools, a mixed method study from the perspectives of students and teachers in secondary and higher secondary education in urban Bangladesh. AI is ruining education, or at least that's what many claim. Students are increasingly using AI for assignments, raising concerns about cheating and academic dishonesty. But what about AI detection tools themselves? They're often just as flawed. For example, one AI detector flagged part of the US Constitution as AI generated. In another case, a professor failed an entire class due to alleged AI use, only to discover the detection was faulty. These examples highlight unreliable AI detection and the risks of improper implementation. This brings us to the research questions. How might lecture-based pedagogical methods change with the integration of generative AI in secondary and higher secondary schools? And what might be an effective ethical framework for using AI detection tools to evaluate submission-based curricular works as perceived by students and teachers? Now let's explore the background of this study. Research shows a surge in AI's popularity in education, particularly since the launch of ChatGPT in 2022, as evidenced by this chronological graph of publications. While AI offers benefits such as efficiency and personalized learning, it also poses risks, including overdependence and ethical concerns. Existing literature highlights AI's potential but lacks focus on qualitative perspectives, especially within Bangladesh's traditional education system. Some studies propose decision-making frameworks for AI in education and question AI detectors' reliability, but no comprehensive framework for their ethical use exists yet. This research aims to fill these gaps by developing standards for AI integration in Bangladeshi education and proposing an ethical framework for AI detection tools based on insights from both teachers and students. Now let's examine the methodology. This study uses a mixed methods approach to capture both quantitative and qualitative perspectives. In the quantitative phase, approximately 300 students and 50 teachers from urban secondary and higher secondary schools will complete an online survey with multiple choice and Likert scale questions. These will assess familiarity with AI, usage patterns, and opinions on AI in education. They will also complete a test comparing an AI-generated lecture with traditional text to evaluate their perceptions. In the qualitative phase, in-depth interviews with a diverse sample of students and teachers will explore their opinions on AI usage and their experiences with AI detection tools. This mixed approach will provide both measurable data and deep insights into the views. For data analysis, quantitative data will be processed in Microsoft Excel to identify patterns and trends demonstrated through bar or pie charts. Qualitative responses will be analyzed thematically using atlas.ti, with insights visualized as thematic maps or graphs. By synthesizing these findings, a comprehensive understanding will be developed visualized in matrix tables, or potentially supporting a weighted scoring framework to provide statistical guidelines, though this remains exploratory. Regarding data practicalities, the data collection phase will last 3 months. We will use stratified random sampling methods for diversity and make a structured analysis. Ethical considerations, including informed consent and data privacy, will align with international standards alongside ensuring confidentiality. Now let's address potential challenges and outcomes. The study may face limitations, such as reduced diversity due to its focus on urban areas and potential biases from participants. A smaller sample size and limited time frame may also restrict the depth of analysis. However, the findings can offer significant benefits. Results will be shared with educational organizations and presented in journals and conferences to guide AI integration in education. The proposed ethical framework will support balanced, responsible AI use, benefiting both teachers and students in Bangladesh. Thank you for your time and attention. My contact information is provided here for any questions, along with the references that inform this work. I hope this research proposal inspires thoughtful action toward integrating AI responsibly in education.